Hello everyone, Alex here from the X-Pro, and today is the day that we are assembling prototype number 2 of the Pied Piper. And you saw in the previous video the prototype 1 was functioning, but it had some, let's call them bad features. It was very low quality 3D print, because for the items like this big, it's really tricky to print them before spending any extensive money on the mold. So right now what we did is we 3D printed and then we painted everything. So it looks really nice. And when you order stuff from us, you're gonna get everything already assembled, especially if you order the whole package, right? So mechanical is the case, enclosure. Electrical, we have here 2 PCBs in the big speaker, and we have a small PCB in the transmitter, or microphone. That's really important fact. So today, as you can see here, I just placed some blue tape to hold the cables. This is temperature sensor, is going to be close to the battery. Today we are not going to start this, we're just going to show you the assembly process. Okay, and then the next video is going to be actually testing the whole unit. So right now we are showing you what's done and how it's going to be assembled, and then the next video is going to be how it's actually working. And one more video, the bonus video, is going to be comparing the first prototype with this second prototype here. It's going to be day and night difference. Okay, so this piece, which is technically the front piece, right, where we have the aluminum metal plate, or the LCD screen is attached on the main PCB behind. So this is the brain of the device. This is the power PCB that attaches to the big lithium battery. So behind this PCB, and there are going to be some pictures, you want to see it as well on our social media and probably on the screen while I'm talking, this PCB actually has all the buttons, all the controls, SD card, USB port, and 2 LCDs. More about function is going to be in the next video, because there is a reason why we have 2 LCDs, and this side from here to here is like one controller. From here to here, second controller. So it's very cool feature. Okay, so we're gonna place this one here on the bottom. Here we have 2 speakers, so upper and lower bass and treble. And here we have a lithium battery. Nothing is connected for safety purposes, because when this lithium battery, for who knows what reason, catch on fire or some shortage, we are never gonna cool it down. So here we have the charging port, and that's it. This is the very simple part of the case, just 3 components basically. Here we have just the mesh, everything is 3D printed, so I'm really impressed how it came out. Okay, so we are going to assemble this. Be really careful, everything needs to click nicely. Okay, I like the sound. And then now it's the tricky part, because I don't want to break this piece here. We need to be really careful with assembling the whole unit. So we're gonna be really careful. In the original version, the final version, this is gonna be made out of metal, so it's not gonna be breakable easy. Right now it's plastic, and I don't want to make a mess. So let's try it like this. So that's the housing for the big speaker. Right now we're going to put this one aside, and we are going to assemble the small microphone or the transmitter. Okay, so for this one we have these small screws, and I think 2 of them are already inside. So it's a very small device, and we need to be really careful when we are assembling it, especially because we have this antenna that needs to be on top of it, so it's a little bit tricky to assemble. Okay. And now on top, we have the microphone. So that's it. Here we have a microphone or transmitter, and here we have the speaker. There are two devices that are pairing and working as one. In the next video, as I mentioned, you're gonna see comparing this version 2 with the version 1, and you're also gonna be seeing the video after that probably how these two are pairing, playing music, and so on. Thank you for watching.